Okay, let's go over the goals section of the CMO dashboard. So click on the little drop down. There are 6 things in here, but there's really 2 high level areas. First is your annual goals. When you click on it, you would put your monthly revenue goal, quarterly revenue goal, annual revenue goal. Start with the annual, work your way back so that you have it in micro digestible doses. Put your vision board. Mine, I used to do virtually, but I went back to doing them in real life. Just take a snapshot on your phone of your real life one that you cut out from scrapbooking and then put it here. But you need a picture of it so that you can see it all the time. And then you would put, there's some daily affirmations. I just put some in here. Change them to whatever makes you happy. You just would type in here whatever you want. So you can delete this and put your new affirmation. And then it's just I don't even know how I got that line, to be honest. I don't know what that is. So just duplicate, because I don't know what that is. I think it's I have no idea how the hell I got that in there. Don't even matter, girl. Just duplicate it and make new ones. But you can add new ones in here. And then the reason I said that there's 2 high level, because you see the quarterly ones are here. Q4 is coming up, so click on Q4, and then you will put your October, your November, December goals. But what you want high level for Q4 is your top 3 priorities, and then by the end of the quarter, you do a review. What were the major wins? You would type them in here. What challenges, like what hurdles and setbacks did you face? What was your financial performance? Did you meet, exceed, or fall short of your revenue goals or expense targets? Adjustments that need to be made coming into the new quarter. And then individual quarter months, you would go to that month. What are your top 3 priorities for that month? What are some projects that you need to start? What are some projects that are already in progress? What are some projects that you ended up completed? What are some things that you need to start doing, stop doing, continue doing? Accomplishments and wins, just document them as you go. Please do this type of stuff, because you guys will not, sometimes you will think, I'm not doing shit. I'm not doing what I thought I was going to do. I'm not doing as well, but you are doing something. Document the accomplishments and the wins. What challenges did you experience? Maybe you can find ways to prevent them if you document them. Sometimes you forget, like, oh, it was a tough month because my kid was home more than often or more than usual. And you know something, my time is limited. I can't work this schedule anymore. Make sure that challenge is documented. My business philosophy, especially coming into like the membership, like Revolutionary Society, but how I live my life and how I want my clients to live their lives, is to also think about your entire life and document what was the rating for this month, this year. Make sure you add the year and the month. Make sure it says the current month that you should be in. I should have already done that for you, but if not, filter it by the month that you're supposed to be in, and then select October. You can add new ones. Growth, personal growth, family relationships, marriage, romance, if you're not married, friendships, acquaintances, health and fitness, business and work, because you might have both. Financial for your business, financial for your personal. Are you rating it on a scale of 1 to 5? 1 being this was shitty, 5 being this was great, a 1 to a 5. Rate it. And then what are you anticipating or looking forward to next month? Again, to stay in here, you should be good for the most part by just doing that. Sometimes it's shift enter or shift return. Okay? You're going to do that for every single month, every single quarter. I am going to go back to the dashboard, back to this goals. Growth goals is just for your marketing channel. So put your goals. You want 5,000, put some milestones for Instagram, put some milestones for your email list, put some milestones for your podcast. I want to get to 1,000 subscribers, then to 5,000 subscribers. I want 500 followers, then 10,000 followers. Put some milestones, and as you achieve them, mark them off. It's something for you to look forward to. The only other thing inside of your goals is quarterly. As you can see, I didn't even put them here because it just would have been making this even longer than it already is. But if you go back, you can go to each quarter individually as you need. Okay. And lastly, I'll be going over in the next video the project management section of the dashboard.